What's up, YouTube? For all of my American friends, here's a little bit of fireworks for you. It is the 4th of July after all. For everybody else, happy Thursday. I know you're probably excited about going into the week. But before you do, I have something amazing to show you guys. There is a sale going on for the 4th of July. I'm sorry, if you're not American, you can still benefit from it, though. This is a package of 3 different products from Omar and Melinda Martin. And we're going to take a look at it in just a moment. It's called the Freedom Sale. Before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is ridiculous. You complain every single day. It's ridiculous already. Stop the complaining. Listen to your father. Seriously, the guy is so annoying. Always complains. Never seems satisfied. Never bothers to look at the reviews. If you looked at my reviews, you would know what's crap and what's not crap. Anyway, the way things work here is that the cat sometimes likes to photobomb my videos, and the way things work here is that if I like a product, I'm going to give it my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of stuff involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing to me every day, and she's such a sweetheart. Really, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. She's really such a sweetheart. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means absolutely nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this review of the Freedom Sale. Okay, so we're over here on the sales page for the Freedom Sale. Let me show you. See, Freedom Sale. It does close in just over 3 days from the time that I'm recording this video. From the time you see it, it'll probably be about 3 days until it closes. Now, I can confirm these numbers are accurate. Omar and Melinda are definitely super affiliates on JVZoo. They make serious coin over there. They do some really good stuff. Now, let's talk a little bit about what you're actually going to be getting here, because there's 3 different tools that are included in this package. So you're going to get Convert Tools, which actually is it basically allows you to create lead funnels in order to be able to capture new leads. So that's really cool. It's kind of like ClickFunnels, but a little bit simpler and very easy to use. You'll see inside the members area in just a little bit. Let's take a look at a couple of these funnels, just so we can get an idea of what they look like. So each one has a professionally recorded video.
Today is your lucky day.
Okay, we'll stop that for now. And a little bit of text, and then get into next to your basic sales, your basic squeeze page, in order to gain subscribers. And you click here, and it asks for the first name and email, and then just go straight through. It looks very much like ClickFunnels actually in the styling. So a really nice piece of work over here. And let's take a look at one more of them. They're all pretty much the same, nice backgrounds. You get like, okay, thank you. You get like, actually I think the video is actually the same video over and over again, but whatever. Anyhow, but yeah, so you get, there's like 250 backgrounds, I think, that you can choose from for your funnels. You get to make 100 of them, so you got plenty of them. They're all hosted for you on CloudFront. You also have 150 different products that you can give away. So yeah, there's quite a bit. What I really loved here was the fact that they give you 2,000 marketing emails that are ready to roll, that you can actually go and just edit and use them for yourself. And they also have a lot of training videos on how to drive traffic. But what's really crazy here is it's not just one product. There's three different products that they usually sell separately that they're selling together today. So you also have commission magnets. Basically, it's kind of like Bonus Crate, where it'll set up a bonus page for you, and it comes with built-in bonuses as well, so you don't have to worry about creating those things. Everything is done for you, and they're also hosted for you, of course, so you don't have to do anything. And then finally, there's a lot of stuff here. You see all these different bonuses that they've got included for you. They look pretty nice. And then the final thing is the I Am Clinic. This is basically a course where you're going to be learning more about how to basically be an affiliate marketer. So yeah, and here's the price, the usual prices, and these are real prices. You can actually Google these things. If you find them on their own, each one does sell for $197, $297, $197. They sell for those prices. These are the actual prices they sell them for. So we're not talking about fake pricing. But wait till you see the price today. So $97. That's crazy. That's a crazy price.
Does that sound crazy?
It is crazy, isn't it? Anyway, so now I want to talk about my bonuses before we get to the sales page. So there's a couple of little bonuses I'm going to be throwing in for you. First of all, I just recorded a brand new video where I'm going to be teaching you how to profit even when you have a really tiny list. And I've done a similar video before, but I want to do a new one because there's a couple of new ideas that I'm going to be adding into this particular video. So you'll see a brand new video that I put together where you're going to hear me talking about how to, because let's face it, getting started, you're still going to have a very small list. You're not going to have a massive list. And the truth of the matter is that you don't need a massive list in order to make massive amounts of money. Most of the big names that you hear of in this industry, they don't really have that big of a list. Like, for example, Trevor Carr is a good friend of mine. He has a very, very tiny list. Stephen Alvey, another good friend of mine, also a very tiny list. And the reason that they're able to profit is because they're smart about how they do their marketing. And I'm going to teach you some of the secrets that they know and some of the secrets that I know in order to really make even a very, very small list pop big time. So that's number one. Number two, I'm going to do something that I probably shouldn't do because I'm really, really busy these days. But I'm going to do it anyway because, I get a good feeling when I help people out. And so you pick this thing up for $97. And I'm going to be giving you a half-hour Zoom consultation. I've done it with several people already, and everybody who's gone through the Zoom consultation sends me emails saying, thank you so much, that was amazing. You really, really helped me out a lot, and I want to be able to do it for more people. So even though I'm really busy because I have my own launch coming up in a few weeks, I want to help more people out, and so half-hour Zoom consultation, pick it up for just 97 lousy bucks. You're going to get basically a complete package of everything you need in order to get started in affiliate marketing. So yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing package. Very, very big package. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area, and we'll see what's in there, and we'll see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creator. Okay, so this is pretty crazy stuff here. So let's take a look over here where on the members area, I have all three software tools pulled up over here, and I have the members area in front of me. So let's take a look together and see what these things can do. So this one is it's basically a funnel builder. You set up an autoresponder first. Okay. Main settings. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I guess it's set up to only use specific things unless you have send lane. So that's one bit of a downer, I guess. What you can always do is you can set it up on MailChimp and basically capture your leads inside of MailChimp, and then go ahead and export them if you don't happen to use one of these services. You can also enter your GVZoo ID over here. That's pretty nice. But as I showed you on the sales page, you can actually see some of the funnels that they have, and they're really nice looking funnels. Very well put together, and the price is really, really cheap for what you're getting. I'm just shocked that they're giving it away for so little.
I'm shocked to find that gambling is going on in here.
You're winning, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Everybody out at once.
Well, it's not gambling. It's it's sales funnels. This is actually making money rather than wasting money. And let's be honest, you weren't really shocked to see that gambling was going on in Rick's cafe. Seriously. Anyhow, so okay, so let's move on, I guess. I don't really want to sit here setting up a MailChimp account just to test this thing, but it looks really nice. Let's check out the commission magnets. Okay, so commission magnets, basically you're going to be getting all these different done-for-you packages that you can give away. So really nice stuff here as well. Let's take a quick look here. Let's go to the home page. Okay, this is the home page. All right. So let's see, the magnet material. That's the good stuff. That's what we want to get to.
That's the good stuff.
Yes, it is the good stuff, isn't it? Okay, so let's see, Buzzinar. Oh, yeah, wow. Wow, this is really nice. Look at this. You get to they'll customize the thing for you. You basically get a ready-made bonus product, and you can actually get it. They'll customize it on the fly for you. That's wow. That's impressive. Wow. This is very, very impressive. Everything is set for you. You don't have to do any of the work. Wow, I wish I'd had this when I started. You know how much work it was setting up all my pages? I don't even bother setting pages these days. I should. Wow. Okay. Let's check out the product library. Wow. Wow. That's a lot. This is very, very impressive, guys. I gotta say, really nicely put together. You get a ton of bonuses that you can just give away, and they'll customize them for you too, which is really, really cool. Let's check out the IM Clinic. Okay. My dog is here, wants to say hello. Let's see, this traffic clinic, we see exactly how to create spikes as well as consistent, reliable web traffic. List building clinic. Okay, this is more of a course, it looks like. But let's take a quick look at these. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this is a course. So I'm not going to start playing these videos right now. But Omar knows what he's talking about. He is a super affiliate on JVZoo, so I'm sure this is good stuff. But I want to get through the review video, so I want to make sure that we're not going to spend too much time looking at these things. Let's see. They're even labeled by difficulty. Okay, that's a nice touch. I gotta say, this is very polished looking. Most of the stuff that I look at looks like crap on the on the members area. This stuff looks really polished. It's nicely done. Very, very nice. Very nicely done. Very impressive stuff. Conversion training course. Okay, I mean, look, courses are nice. I it's to me, I wouldn't buy it just for the courses, but it's a nice bonus to have all the extra stuff here. Okay, and you get to contact their support team, but they're probably not going to give you the bonus of having access to the two of them. But okay, fine. Yeah. Either way, nice stuff. The cat is here also now, so you can hear the cat in the background. All right, let's go see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creators. Okay, so am I going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator? Yes, I am. You guys did a really nice job. The one issue I have here, one thing that makes me a little bit hesitant, although to be honest, I think I'm going to pick this up for myself as well, just because everything else is really amazing stuff. All those tools and everything are really great. Thing that I didn't like was the fact that you're limited to using only those 5 options for autoresponders. I mean, those are the most popular options, so it's really not that much of an issue. I personally don't use those things. I have my own autoresponder, which I use, and I have reasons for doing it, but it's good stuff. And I mean, I suppose, really and truthfully, it's not even really a big issue, because you can set up a free MailChimp account with like 1,000 contacts, which is enough to get most people started. Or you can also set yourself up a SendLane account, and SendLane, again, you can basically, I think they give you like 100 emails per day or something like that for free for life. So in both cases, that's pretty good numbers that you'll actually have right from the start. So overall, good stuff. Happy 4th of July, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.